Welcome to our training on registering a trademark through Amazon's IP Accelerator program. Amazon encourages brands to complete the trademarking process because it establishes their brand name or logo as intellectual property, or IP. Trademarking is also one of two basic requirements brands meet in order to enroll in and enjoy the benefits of Amazon Brand Registry. The other requirement is having a brand name or a logo that includes a brand name permanently affixed to their products or packaging. If you're a brand that wants to register a trademark but aren't sure how to get started, Amazon's IP Accelerator program is here to help. IP Accelerator is a network of Amazon-trusted IP law firms. It's a collection of vetted legal service providers that offer high-quality trademark services and other IP help at competitive rates. You can use IP Accelerator to kickstart the trademark process for your brand. Providers in our network can guide you through each part of trademark registration. IP Accelerator can also help you enroll in brand registry faster. Instead of waiting for your trademark to officially issue, you'll be able to enroll using the serial number associated with your pending application. Brands and other Amazon selling partners can also work with providers in the IP Accelerator network to get help with other types of IP issues. Get assistance filing a copyright or patent application, or work with a law firm to research potential brand names. Some providers can help develop holistic strategies to protect your brand too, or serve as a mediator if you're ever involved in an IP dispute. How much do services through IP Accelerator cost? Just like with law firms outside IP Accelerator, cost can vary by provider and by the services provided. But Amazon has pre-negotiated competitive maximum rates for certain services. Those include filing a UK trademark application. They also include performing a high-level brand search of trademark office records for pending applications or registrations, and performing a comprehensive brand review of trademark office records and unregistered uses. Where is IP Accelerator available? As of January 2023, our network of providers includes law firms based in the US, Canada, Mexico, the United Kingdom, the European Union, Australia, Brazil, Egypt, Japan, India, Saudi Arabia, Singapore, Turkey, and the United Arab Emirates. We look forward to expanding to additional countries soon. Ready to get started with IP Accelerator? If you're an Amazon seller, you can access a list of relevant providers in a few quick clicks. Start by visiting brandservices.amazon.co.uk/. Hover over Tools, then click IP Accelerator. On the IP Accelerator page, click the Get Started button, which will bring you to the service provider network in Seller Central. If necessary, adjust the drop-down menus at the top, selecting IP Accelerator as your service. Then click the Search button to refresh the results. You can also use filters on the left-hand side to narrow the list of providers. Select a provider by clicking their card, then review their information, check their reviews, and click the Contact Provider button if you'd like to submit a request. You'll usually receive a response from the provider within 2 business days. This concludes our training on registering a trademark through IP Accelerator. If you'd like more information about the trademarking process, see our Seller University video, Register a Trademark for Your Brand. We also recommend our video, Enroll Your Brand in Amazon Brand Registry, if you'd like to learn more about the requirements and steps for enrolling a brand with Amazon. Thank you and happy selling in the Amazon store.